I'm sitting on the toilet making this video, but here's how I made $5,000 trading my evals and fundeds today. Going into the day, I saw that we were extremely bearish, but we did have draws higher as we had Asia highs, London highs, and the new week opening gap above. So my condition for the day was this hourly gap here. If we held it and went lower, I would have targeted low, and since we inverted it strongly, I was looking for longs. And I ended up taking this trade here, which I was going for a winning day, but ended up over risking heavy. But my whole idea behind this trade was that we did have a huge push up at market open with a bunch of volume, and we had a close lower, which I did end up start looking for shorts. But after I scaled to the 30-second, I saw that we had another huge push up. I was like, okay, at least we're going to take out this high right over here, which I'd marked out. And I accidentally did end up over risking a lot on this trade, and I ended up closing for around $400 across 3 accounts when I really only needed 200, but can't really complain, right? And I know this was an extremely risky trade because we could have just chopped lower, but I like the volume and I only needed a few points to get the $200 winning day. But I did over risk, my fault. And I did already secure 2 payouts on these accounts, so if I was to honestly just fucking get ran straight to my stop, I don't care. And this is what I took on my evals. I waited for us to confirm a move higher, which was this 15-minute close at, I believe, 10:30 or something like that, with a break-even point here. And I fucked myself over so hard. I ended up adding in somewhere around here and ended up closing the whole position out, which is so unfortunate because I think I ended up getting closed somewhere around right over here. And if I just held a few more points, I would have got my consistency with the 1.5 across all accounts, but I ended up closing for around 750 on all accounts and one account around 900. But I can't really complain. Profit is profit, and there's not much I could have done about, closing the trade early. That was just my fault again.